In this video, I'll show you how to make Snapchat shortcuts and send streaks all at once on Snapchat. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up Snapchat and quickly create a snap just like this. When you do that, all you gotta do is click on send to at the bottom right corner, and here, as you can see, there are no Snapchat shortcuts, but to create one you gotta click on send to at the top, and now create shortcut actually appears. So you can click on create shortcut and you can add as many people as you want, just like this. And then after you select all of them, you can click on create shortcut, but then it says choose an emoji. Please choose a single emoji character for the shortcut. So basically every shortcut will be marked or titled as an emoji. So I can select something like, I don't know, this, and then click on create shortcut, and now it's created and you can see it here. When you click send to, you actually have this. Now shortcuts are here. So yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a like. I'll actually delete this shortcut. But if you want to see more videos just like this, all you gotta do is subscribe. See you in the next one.